Okay, now I'm gonna show you how our latest auto ice cream machine works. First, let's open the gate. Okay, let's see what looks inside. Okay, power on. Machine on. Okay, take a close look on the inside. You see, this is where we put our ice cream. It has two tanks. And here we can put the flavors like grape or fruit or some other biscuit and chocolate you can put here. And this shows auto works, auto clean, and auto fresh. Now let's see. Let's go to the customer side, and on the display screen you have 4 flavors for choose. Let's take the most desirable combination, 3 combination, and you can choose 1, 2 flavors, and you touch here and you pay. You choose how many cups you want at once. It can get 3 cups at once most. Let's go back to 1. Okay, and you put here for pay. Now, because this is our domestic type, so we support Alipay and WeChat Pay. We can do Apple Pay, Samsung Pay, and Google Pay. Also, we support credit card and cash plus coin classic type. It's all on your decision. You can choose. Now let's see how many seconds we wait. Only 10 seconds. My ice cream is ready. Okay, now you can get your ice cream here.